In this video, I will show you how to install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. So open any web browser and just search VLC. And here guys, you will see this official site, official download of VLC Media Player. So open this link and click on download VLC. This is the latest version 3.0.18. Here you can select Windows 64-bit, Windows ARM 64. So for example, if you need for Windows 64-bit, select it and download. Once downloading process complete, double click on setup file and install it. So this is the way guys you can download and install latest version of VLC Media Player in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Click on this setup file. Click on OK. Next. Next. Then next and install. Now finish. So this is the way you can download and install. Thanks for watching.